Today we're diving into a subject that could be a game changer in your purpose journey.
Setting meaningful goals.
First things first, why do goals matter on our purpose journey? Goals give directions to passion. They're like a roadmap guiding you to your purpose. When we're talking about goals, it's important to understand that they're not all equal. There is a difference between goals that you just write in a list, in a to-do list, and other goals that resonate with your passion, with your ambition, with things that you'd like to achieve. How do we go on about setting our purposeful goals? We're going to break it into a process, into a thoughtful process, and we're going to break it into 3 steps. Step number 1 is reflection.
Take a moment and look within.
What brings you joy? What brings you passion? Your goals should resonate with your passion, with your values.
The things that you care for. Step number 2 is clarity.
You can't just say, I want to be successful in life. You need to know what that actually means for your purpose, for your future.
Think about it.
Step number 3 is break it down. You have to break down your big goals into smaller, achievable goals. This will make your journey less daunting and more achievable. Now that we've created our purposeful goals, it's time to take action. Have you ever heard the saying, you are what you repeatedly do? Let's create a goal-oriented routine. It's about consistency and taking actions. When you are faced with a challenge, you have to embrace it. A challenge is an opportunity for you to grow. How often do you celebrate your wins? You have to. Celebrate small wins along the way. It's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Each small win is a victory on your purpose path. Periodically, you should be reassessing and reframing your goals. As you evolve, your goals will evolve too. It's okay to pivot and adjust your course. And there you have it, beautiful people. Setting meaningful goals are steps that will transform your journey. It's not about the goals themselves. It's about who you become in the process. Leave a comment below. I'd love to find out about some of your goals.